Hey Primary 6 Foundation Math Project, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 4 of your assessment paper number 4. And this question we've actually done before. So let's take a look at the question again. I think if I'm not mistaken, all of you got it right the first time around, so I'm very proud of you. Good job. Let's take a look at the question. The question says, Paul spent a sum of money on electrical goods. The pie chart below shows how the money was spent. Okay. Why did it say O in the center of the circle? Because they want you to know that this is, look at the angles, right? And AOB is its diameter, which is a long thing over here. So the question is, how much did Paul spend on the washing machine? So let's take a look at the washing machine. It's actually half of the circle. And let's see what else we can see that is in relation to that. Oh, here we go, $360. And what is this over here? It's actually, is that 90 degrees? Yes, it is 90 degrees. And 90 degrees times 2 is going to give you 180 degrees. Or in other words, television costs 1/4 and washing machine costs half. Therefore, half is actually equals to what? Okay, half is actually equals to 2/4 times 2 here times 2 here. Therefore, you get 2/4. So if 1/4 is equals to what? 360. What does half equals to? Half is equals to 360 times 2. So you get $720. If you got that one right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. And for part B, okay, let's take a look at part B. How much did he spend on the toaster? Very simple. If this 1/4 is 360, this 1/4 on the other side is also 360. So how much did he spend on the toaster? 360 minus $300. Very, very simple. So 360 minus $300 is going to give you $60, and that is the answer. If you got those right, I'm going to give you a high five because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the quote of the week, which is what you focus on expands. What do you notice about me? I keep saying things like, oh, that's pretty simple, that's very simple, oh, that's pretty simple. If you take a look at my videos for the past, how many, I think 20 over videos, you're going to notice I keep saying it's simple very, very many times. It's not because I'm bigger, but it's because I just like to say it. And the other thing that I keep saying, oh, that's interesting, even though if it's not, even though if it's difficult, but I keep saying, oh, that's interesting. Why? Because when I say that's interesting, it allows me to think. It doesn't make me scared. It doesn't make me nervous. It doesn't make me anxious, especially when I'm teaching right in front of you guys. And I'm a 22-year-old guy, and I can't solve a primary 6 question. Now that's embarrassing. So I keep saying, that's interesting. So with that, just use these few words. Oh, that's interesting. And the other one I would say is, oh, that's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. Okay, with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.